We see the pandemic as a new beginning, as a means to find new opportunities so that we, Jamaica, can build back stronger.
Here in Jamaica, our route to a stronger recovery will take you on smoother roadways. Air travel too is also available in fine style. And if your choice of ride is via the railways, your transport stakeholders have dusted off the train engines. And a stop by the bauxite sector also awaits, just so you can see all the developments we are experiencing.
We will continue to build out the new structure of that body while we continue to implement innovative plans.
It's 2022, and the Ministry of Transport and Mining is building on the blocks it created last year. But just before we press gas, here's a look back at last year's achievements for the ministry.
We can't have a lovely facility like the Half-a-Tree transport sector and have it underutilized while our people are hustling and bustling to get a bus on the side of a road.
In 2021, the Transport Authority moved rural stage carriage buses into the Half-a-Tree Transport Centre as a pickup and loading point. A $2 million Portmore Mall Transport Centre was also established to ease congestion in the area. And the Road Traffic Amendment, Validation and Indemnity Bill 2021 was passed, updating fixed penalties for offences under the law.
Madam Speaker, the Airports Authority of Jamaica continues to effectively monitor the service delivery at our airports.
As we soar to the skies, the industry that takes us there smoothly was given much attention in 2021. The Negril Aerodrome is now operating with an improved 660-meter runway and a new $17 million fire station. At the Norman Manley International Airport, shoreline and seawall protection works were done. $70 million was spent at the Sangster International Airport on a project to improve and extend the runway and expand the arrivals hall. And our domestic flight options were expanded with the introduction of Amber Aviation, which will provide ultralight flying experiences, a jet share program, and domestic flights. Added to that, the Ian Fleming International Airport received its own newly constructed police post that was handed over by the Airports Authority of Jamaica.
We are moving to create a safe and orderly system to take our children to and from school.
The ministry has restored the Jamaica Railway Corporation's workshop and solar light project in Kingston. The school train transportation system, which will take students from Linstead and Old Harbour to Spanish Town, has been officially launched. And railway station masters or brakemen will have access to an e-pay app, which was created last year to facilitate the ministry's cashless school train system.
Mining is the #1 foreign exchange earner for the country.
Last year, administrative staff at the Reynolds Pier Jamaica Bauxite Mining Limited were given a newly constructed $120 million building. The Jamaica Bauxite Institute implemented the second phase of the Rural Economic Development Initiative Ready to Water Harvesting and Greenhouse Cluster Project. The agreement for mining in the cockpit country was revised to include the removal of 6,000 hectares of land from the original Special Mining Lease 173, SML 173.
This is not just talk. It's a clear demonstration of the will of this government to build back stronger. There are big plans ahead that we look forward to completing with sound decisions and planning for the future of the industry and the country at large.